Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add auto captions on Filmora application. To add auto captions on Filmora application using mobile device involves a few steps. So here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded and installed the Filmora app on your mobile device and launch it open. Once you open up the app, click on the New Project button at the top left corner. Select a video you want to add from your gallery. Once you choose the video, click on Import at the bottom right corner to import the video clip. Once you've added the video to your timeline, go to the bottom of the screen. There you will be able to see several tools at the bottom. Click on the CC Captions option in the middle. Here you'll need to select the language from the first drop-down. Tap on the drop-down and select the language you want to generate auto captions for. Here I'm gonna select Italiano. After you've selected the current language, make sure that you've checked the From Video option in order to take audio source from your own video for the auto caption generation. After you are done, click on Add Italiano Captions or any other language that you've selected on the bottom. Wait for a few minutes until the auto caption is generated. Now, once the auto caption are generated, you can review them in the timeline and you will be able to see the caption being generated on the middle of the screen. You can then edit the text if necessary to correct any mistakes or make adjustments for accuracy and timing. Customize the appearance of your caption by tapping on the caption timeline. Adjust the font, size, color, position, etc. in order to fit your video style. You can also drag the caption on the screen and place it on a desired location where you want it to appear. After you are done with necessary adjustments, you can then go ahead and export your video by clicking on Export at the top right. Select one of the export settings and finally click on the Export button at the bottom of the screen. By following these steps, you should be able to add auto captions to your video using Filmora on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.